We have a pack opening right here.
Woo!
With the dream team right here.
Yo, yo,
Now
yo.
let's go with the
With Samuel and me and obviously Daniel.
Okay, now let's open the Boomer Bust packs. We'll each open one. There's
Boomer
three.
bust.
Oh, bust.
Street.
Squat.
And we got an 84. Really bad, really bad, really bad, really bad.
Lockdown or bust.
I will open this lockdown or bust
Don't
pack
shake
and we
it.
go in here and then we're gonna not shake it because then the recording will stop.
Bam.
Ready, set, bam.
84. I think that's the worst.
Bogdanovich, 84.
Okay, Sam, you now open this lockdown or bust, Sam. You got this, man.
Oh
3,
God.
2, 1.
This is the new Joe Key.
Okay, now let's open these. Let's open these Boomer Bust or Pro Pack.
Pro.
Okay. What?
Okay, now we got a pro pack and then we open it. Now we open it. And then only Daniel's gonna open this one.
Oh, we got an extra. We got a trending token. Let's go. That's pretty good, I guess.
We got 10
80.
trending tokens now.
Ooh, another pack opening. Okay, Arf, come on. Let's go, Arf, Rick.
What am I gonna open? Okay,
Watch
pro
his,
pack.
watch his. I don't know who subscribed, but 9 subscriber. Watch it. He needs more subscribers. 87 overall.
87,
80.
Anthony.
Okay, now
And we
Sam.
got a Donovan.
Billy Donovan. Coach. Okay, Sam. Let's go, Sam.
And now Sam's
Oh,
gonna open
3. Pro pack. 3, 2. Ooh. 50 stamina. Oh.
Okay.
5. Go. Just to open it.
84
Oh.
LaMarcus Aldridge.
Oh my gosh!
So much
Screenshot
pack.
it!
So much pack.
Oh my gosh! Let's
So
let's open the Boomer Bust. I'll open the signature Boomer Bust.
Okay. Be quiet.
Is this a trending token? Boom. Oh, triple double token. Yeah. Okay, Samuel, open the throwback.
Out of position Slayer.
Wait, is this a guarantee?
No.
Boom.
Boom.
Wait a second. It is guaranteed.
It's a guarantee to Samuel.
Wait a second.
Oh,
No, it
wow.
is guaranteed. Wait a second.
Oh, that's sucky.
Wait a second.
it is guaranteed.
Check
Is it?
later.
We'll check later, guys.
Open the gold
Whoa!
Woo!
Why do you give me all the gun packs? Okay, anyways.
Bam.
Bang.
Okay, so we're back. Let's go. Which one should we do? All-Star festivities or this?
Let's
these?
do a premiere pack.
No, these are. Let's do some All-Star Friday festivities.
We got a Friday festivities
Let's
pack.
go. 5.
Hey, what is
4,
3,
2,
1. Bam. Hey, 92 overall.
Okay, your turn.
What's mine?
Oh yeah, Arv actually. Arv, let's go.
It's actually my turn, but
3, 2, 1.
Bang bang! 89!
Who is this? Adam. Spice Adam, celebrity game. Let's go. I don't care. He's like the only celebrity game player, so yay.
He plays every position.
Ready?
And we got a 91
that's so cool.
Okogie.
Okay, now let's open it. Who wants to open the premiere pack?
I will not.
Okay,
I will not.
Okay, 3,
2,
1.
and we back with the cut. Yeet.
Ooh.
Yeet.
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 Oh, horrible.
We got all.
Okay, let's go with the final 2 packs. Samuel, do you got the sharpshooter pack? 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, not good. Hey, okay, I have. Oh, not good.
Okay.
Okay, now it's your turn, Aaron.
Now we are going for the street.
You need a good pull there. You got me a 93 off of.
But
Bro,
guess
good.
what? Daniel got a 94 Pascal. I think it was on video.
No, it was on screenshot. Ew. Okay, not good.
got a
And
90.
we ended with 90 overall. And thank you guys for watching. And we're